Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to my Excel today. Today we are going to look at two types of transpose in Excel. Assume you have a data, your boss gave you an assignment, and after the outcome you present the data in a horizontal way, as you can see it. But he says no, he wants it vertical. How quickly can you do that? Simply can select the data range, use the Ctrl C to copy, select the cell where you want to paste, right click, then go to paste options. So you go to transpose. So then quickly you can just transpose or paste transpose there. So automatically you see that your data is now transposed and pasted vertically. Another way of doing it is looking at the area the data covered, so you can see, so you can just select, so you can see that it covers up to 4. Select the range of the data covers, then we use the formula or the transpose function. So equal to transpose, we type transpose, the formula will pop out, then we select the data, we close our parentheses, then we use the shift and control enter. Voila, automatically you can see that the data is also here pasted vertically as we wanted. But look at something here. Assuming that the sales figure is not really 86,000 but it's 70,000, we want to update it in the original data 70,000. Automatically you can see the one we use the function is updated. As you can see here, assuming the 58 is now 60,000. See that, you can see that it's updated in the transpose one where we use the function, but the one we use the transpose paste, really nothing happened because that one is hard coded and rigid. The other one is quite dynamic and it's really linked to this one. It's really linked to the original data. Thank you very much for following us and continue to follow us on my Excel today. Thank you.